Hello everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Hope you are safe. Hope you are happy. So, my dear 12th class, today we are going to study the poem Keeping Quiet once again, right? Because I want you students to gain each and every word, its meaning, right? And the explanation of each and every stranger in a clear way so that you have best idea of the poem, you have a best understanding of the poem, right? So let me explain the poem. Here the poem Keeping Quiet. In the poem, the poet talks about the necessity of quiet introspection. Introspection means self-analyzation, right? As it can develop a feeling of mutual understanding among humans. So here poet wants us to introspect for some time. Why? Because it will develop a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. So dear student, the question is that why introspection is needed, right? Because it can develop a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. That's why it is necessary. The answer is like that. So what is the theme of the poem? It is basically an anti-war poem. Dear students, Keeping Quiet, the poem written by Pablo Neruda, is an anti-war poem. The poet is deeply concerned. He was deeply touched about the violence, cruelty to animals, and plight of manual workers. Plight means, you can say, the pitiable condition of manual workers. The poet offers a very simple solution to many of our social, political, and religious issues, problems, whatsoever it is. Before that, what we have learned? Why introspection is necessary? Because it can develop a sense of brotherhood, right? It can develop, you can say, a mutual understanding among human beings. That's why introspection or keeping quiet for some time is necessary. Clear? The poet is very concerned about the violence, about the cruelty, about the pitiable condition of manual workers. That's why here he suggested us that we should have pause in a daily routine, right? And in that pause, in that time, we should do introspection. We should do self-analyzation, right? So the only and only solution about you can say the issues given by the poet is self introspection. It is acted upon, it will be the first major step towards uniting people, right? The second step is that everyone should look within and analyze what is wrong and who is the wrong doer. Means what you have done any wrong to anybody, what is wrong there in the mutual understanding, why the misunderstanding is there between the two, among the human. So this will cleanse every heart and ennoble all people, right? So this poem advocates the importance of silence and introspection. It can transform not only the life of an individual but also the face of the earth. How the face of the earth can be changed by this introspection. Let us see. The poet says that it does not need much time to look within and examine oneself. Means um, it is not the time consuming actually. There will you can say it will not take much of time when we examine ourselves. It will take only as long as it will take to count to 12, just only a few seconds, just only a few minutes, you can say, just only a few moments. Okay, so when the poet will count up to 12, 1 to 12, only within this short period of time you are asked to have introspection. What do you mean by the 12 here? It means that the 12 in the poem, in the stanza, is you can say considered, it can be the 12 hours, right? Of a day, it can be the 12 months of a day. Clear? So during this time of introspection, or you can say self-examination, one should keep quiet and say nothing to all. Means he should keep quiet. He should postpone all the formalities, all the activities, all the work, right? And he should say nothing at all. It will give him a strange feeling of togetherness with all others. So if he will do introspect, if he will postpone all the activities, all the work, then it will give him a strange feeling of togetherness with all others. But when he will introspect, he will self-analyze, right? Although it may seem a little strange in the beginning, it will eventually bring us all together. Although keeping quiet, it seems just little strange, but eventually, but gradually, it will bring us all together. So this silence will be free from the disturbing sounds of engines. How the moment will be? Then after the introspection, when the human being will do introspection for some time, then there will be means there will be silence that will be free from the disturbing sounds of engine and people rushing to get their work done for some time. He feels contented, imagining the change that will be brought about in those moments. The man who hurt their hands while collecting salt will get a little rest here. Means the poet asked here to the man who is gathering salt in the sea, he is asked just to postpone the activity, postpone the work, and to look at his bloody hands, wounded hands, that is caused due to the gathering salt, right? Even the people who seek fresh wars using fatal gas and weapons will put on clean clothes and get a chance to walk among their brothers. Even though the people who prepare war with gas, war with fire, war with weapons, he is suggested to put on clean clothes and get a chance to walk among their brothers in the shed in a peaceful manner. They will lead a hatred free and calm life, giving a halt to their destructive activities. So, in this way, if the man stops making war, then it will lead a hatred free and very calm life, giving just a pause, just a stop, just a halt to their destructive activities, right? So the poet here clarifies that his wish should not be considered as a case for total inactivity. Right? Total inactivity means someone who is totally inactive. It means he does not correlate it. You can say it does not correlate with the death actually. Right? He only wants to interrupt the sad, cruel, and baleful activities of the world for a moment and make the poet introspect, make the people introspect, right? Their actions. In fact, what he says is connected with life, not with death. Activity is very essence of life. Right? Inactivity is death, but a fresh, better, and useful activity. A little stillness is essential. So here the poet says that little stillness is very essential. Total inactivity does not be there. Means it should not be there. Total inactivity. While we will sit for introspection, then we will have a self-analyzation. We will be active inside. Although it seems that we are totally inactive from the outside, but inside we will be active, right? The poet uses the image of the earth to show how life exists in seemingly dormant things. Here, the natural example means the example from nature is taken by the poet, the example of earth, right, which taught human being how to be active inside and inactive outside. Like in winter, the earth becomes so still and silent that it seems to be dead. But later in spring, it seems to be very lively again with the flower, with new twigs, with new plants, right? It has new beauties and colors added to it. So similarly, after a little quietness and silence, man can resume his activities in a fresh and better manner. Right? So here the main points. The poem talks about the necessity of quiet introspection. It will help people to understand themselves and will create the feeling of mutual love and relationship. Right? So the answer of the question is there. What is the question? Why introspection? Why keeping quiet is necessary for human being? Because it will create the feeling of mutual love and relationship. By quiet introspection, the poet does not mean total inactivity. Instead, he wants full involvement with life. The point is very, very important for you, student. The reason for the discard and war is the imbalance between man and nature. Why the poet wants the man who prepare war to be, you can say, to be inactive from outside, means to do an introspection, to postpone his activity, because the reason for the discard and war is the imbalance between man and nature, right? So quiet introspection will establish a spiritual and physical union that is most desirable for the survival of the earth and of human beings. So it was all the poem, right? It was a poem, keeping quiet, that we have studied here. So this is only the explanation of the poem. Later on in the next session, I will explain each and every stanza, right? So go through the poem, try to understand each and every word. My dear student, if you will not understand, if you will just carelessly do it, then it will be no use of it for you, as you only and only you have to prepare. You have to appear in board examination, right? So in this lockdown, you have to be very serious for your study. Got it? So do it very carefully. Learn it, prepare it. Send me pics of your homework on my personal number. Got it? Do not forget and obey your teachers. Right? Okay, students. Thank you.